Are we here? Are we rolling?
Hello everyone, I'm Ariana and welcome back to my channel. So if you're wondering why I'm super close, like right straight off the bat, right away, it's because I'm gonna be doing something that I've meant to do for a long time now, and that is my all about eyebrows video. I started a all about series several months back on my channel, and I started going through like foundations and primers and eyeshadow palettes and things like that, and I've really been wanting to get into brows, but there were a couple of things delaying me. And number one was I didn't really know how to do my brows myself, so I really needed some time to learn a strategy and a technique for my brows, and I really needed time with multiple products so that I could get a good idea of what products work best for what purposes. So if you're interested in that kind of video, just keep on watching. And officially, before we officially start, I do want to tell you what is on my eyes today, and I'm wearing the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't speak Spanish, but I'm wearing this palette on my eyes today. If you're interested in this palette, if you want a review on this palette or some tutorials or something like that, I know a lot of people have this now because it came in it came in last month's BoxyCharm. So if you're interested in getting a review on this palette, let me know. But anyway, jumping back into the eyebrows. So there are a few different types of products that you can use for your brows. I think the most popular product are eyebrow pencils. I have two of them. This one is the Winky Lux eyebrow pencil. I don't know the exact name of it because I got it in a BoxyCharm. But this pencil has a spoolie on one end and the eyebrow product on the other end in a stick form. This makes it really easy to just go in really quickly and fill in your brows. But because of the way that this one is shaped, it's a little bit more blunt on the end there. It doesn't come to quite as much of a point. This one is going to be better for someone who's just filling in their brows. If you are more like me and if your brows are naturally already shaped out and you just want to fill them in, this brow pencil is going to be for you. Now, if you have very sparse brows or maybe no eyebrows at all, I think a pencil more like this is going to be for you. This one comes to a finer point at the end. I don't know if you can really tell, but yes, this one comes to a finer point at the end. This one is just called Eyebrows in the shade Spiked, and this one is by MAC Cosmetics. I know this one retails for about $18. I don't know how much this one retails for because I got it in a BoxyCharm. The only downside about this one is that it does not come with a spoolie on the end like the other eyebrow pencil did, and a spoolie is really nice for going through and just kind of combing through your brows so that you can get an idea of what kind of shape you're going for here. Currently, those are not my two favorite methods per se for filling in my brows, but those are options for you. If you are looking for a finely tipped eyebrow pencil like this MAC one but with a spoolie on the end, there is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil, and both of those have fine tips and a spoolie at the end. So the next product that you could use to this one won't help you fill in your brows, but it will help you keep your eyebrows in place, kind of lay them down flat. This is an eyebrow gel. I use the e.l.f. This one's actually an eyebrow and eyelash duo, but you can use both the sides just for your eyebrows if you want. They're the same. It's the exact same product. I like this. Mine's a little bit dirty, but I like this for my no makeup days, and since my eyebrows are already naturally shaped the way that they are, I can just go in with something like this and spoolie my eyebrows up this way and then kind of down and out to a point. And with something like this, it'll keep my brows in place all day long and they won't look too crazy or like drawn in or anything like that. So if you're not into the drawn in eyebrow look, then an eyebrow gel is for you. You can get a tinted brow gel that can add a little bit of volume to your brows so that they don't look as sparse, and it'll kind of make them look like they're filled in but without them looking drawn on, if that makes sense. If that's the kind of brow product that you're interested in, then this one is a good option. It's only $2. You get a double-ended product for only $2, and I think that's a pretty good price. There is the Essence Make Me Brow, I think it's called. I've never used it before, but that one is only about $3, and you can find it at Ulta. The product that I'm going to be demonstrating today, because this is the one I've been using for my brows recently, and if you're familiar with my project pan videos, you will have seen this before. This one is the e.l.f. Eyebrow Kit in the shade Dark, since my hair is quite dark, but it does come in a multitude of shades. This comes with a wax side and a powder side to set. This is only $3, and it does come with a little brush that I will be using today. Products that are similar to this would be either a brow pomade or other brow waxes if you prefer to apply your eyebrows with a brush. If that's your preferred method, this one is a good option. This one's only $3, but if you want something a little bit more, I mean, you can spend as much money as you want to spend on a good eyebrow product. I'll just say that. I am on a budget, so I prefer to keep it really simple and really cheap, and this is only $3, so this is what I have for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate how I like to use this product, and in order to do that, I'm going to have to bring you in even closer. Okay, so here we are, really close and personal to my face. This is making me a tiny bit uncomfortable, so I may not look you directly in the eye in the camera, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna go in with the angled side of the brush that it comes with, and I'm just gonna dip into this waxy section here. And this does come with a little mirror right here, fortunately, so I'm gonna use that mirror. And I like to start right here in the middle of my brow, because when you first dip your brush into the product, that is when you get the most product on your brush, and you don't want that at the ends. You don't want that at the front of your brow, because it's going to make your brow look fake, and you don't want that at the tail end of your brow either, because it's not going to look fine and pointed. So I like to start in the middle, and I just do little strokes like this, and I can get some more product. And I go really, really, really light-handed with this. And then I like to kind of tail it out here. I like to elongate my brow just a tiny bit. And then towards the front, I just kind of like to swoop a little bit up like this and really coat those brow hairs. I don't necessarily want to get the product on my skin per se, underneath the brows. Not for this part anyway. I just want to coat the brow hairs to make them a little bit darker and filled in. And you can already see the difference between this eye, or this brow, and this brow. So I'm going to go in again with a little bit more product on this side of my face, and again starting in the middle with just little hair-like strokes until I get it to the intensity that I want. A little bit more product. And lightly coating the hairs here in the front. So then, as you can see, I've totally hit pan on this cream side, but I'm gonna now flip my little brush over to this fluffier side here and go into the powder section. And I'm just gonna coat what I've already done with the powder. And what this does is it really sets that product into place so that it doesn't budge or move throughout the day. And you don't need a lot of the powder, which is why I haven't hit pan on that yet. Spoiler alert if you're following my project pan. And then I can just stick my little brush back in there and close it on up, and I'm done. If you so desire, if you want to kind of finish up your look, you can go in with a spoolie. I have a separate spoolie because I know some of my pencils do not have spoolies on them, so I do have this one. You can get them for like $1 from e.l.f. And I like to brush up right here, and then for the rest of my brow I brush outward. And as you can tell, I haven't plucked my brows or anything, but you can't really tell from far away, so it's fine. And when you spoolie them through, it gives it a little bit more of a natural look. Doesn't make your brows look nearly as harsh. So yeah, that is it. Really super quick, super easy. Let me know if you like this tutorial. Let me know if this was helpful for you at all. If you need any additional tips, just leave me all of those things in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in seeing more content from me. I hope that you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!